People are dying for their own version of ChatGPT, trained on their business, on their data. Not everything on the internet is trained like ChatGPT. You know, like trillions of different words, trillions of pages of different info. These people want one that's just trained on simple data that they use for their business. You can freely go over to Google Trends and you will see what I'm talking about. People want a chatbot trained on everything about their business, their website, or their own data that can then serve the customers. Other people are just searching for something that can just help internally for the staff. But there's a ton of uses for chatbots, and it's a good thing. It can save you time, and in a lot of cases, it can save you money. Because think about it. Before, if you wanted to have customer support, you need a real person, right? Sitting there, answering the questions, you gotta pay it. Now with this, you can see that it's just upward trajectory in the last couple of years. And if you scroll down, you will see all the queries. As you can see, GPT AI, Chatbot AI GPT, it's on the breakout. This means that this is really, really popular. And there's a lot of these, you know? And of course, these are the topics that people are searching for. And as I've told you, it doesn't have to have all the data under the sun. So how can you do this? And how can you take advantage of this opportunity? Well, first of all, I know this is a good business model because I'm using it myself and I've seen other people use it as well. It's just going to get more and more popular. Let's just say that you sell online courses. Well, you could take all of that info that you have and you just give that all in the course. And you can put all of that into a custom chatbot that has all the information, every video transcript, everything you ever did goes into that chatbot. But the chatbot itself is hidden behind a membership area. Only the members that paid for the membership can access to that chatbot. And then they're just able to freely communicate with the chatbot and ask the questions they would normally ask you as the course provider. Right there in that chat box, the chatbot will read the information and scan it using GPT-4 and come back with a brilliant answer to help that person. Now, up until GPT-4, you really were looking at having a chat system whereby it has to be answered by a real person. Or it just sends them to a knowledge base and then you just hope people are going to read that, right? Well, now it's just going to pump that answer right out in front of them day and night, you know? So for me, this is a fantastic business opportunity. So how can you do this and how you can turn this into a money-making exercise? Well, for me, the best thing is to go over to customgpt.ai. This is the website that I use. You got to pay for it, of course, and you got to learn how to build it. This is a simplified version. They've got all the tools on the website. That's why you got to pay for it. There's an alternative. I'm going to show you that later. But I just wanted to share this with you. I'm not affiliating with them or anything like that. I just wanted to share with you that you can make any chatbots and then you can sell them to a lot of people out there. Or if you just wanted to build one for yourself, you can do it on this website, hassle-free. Have a look at this. If you head over to the pricing section, you can see that basically you just got to pay $44 per month and you've got 30 million words content, which is more than enough. I mean, I'm using this one for my website. It's so easy. And you've probably seen pages like this. For example, this page, I don't know what it is, but it sells fast funnels, whatever websites. And you can see down there, there's a chatbot. Whatever you ask, of course, is going to act like ChatGPT. But of course, you cannot ask it give me the history of, I don't know, Argentina. It's not working like that. This chatbot has been trained on the data from the owner of this website. And that's what all these people want to have. You know, they're happily going to pay money to you to build a chatbot, which is going to just help them in their business. Really straightforward version for beginners is to go over to Fiverr. You can see people are building chatbots and they're just getting huge money out of it. Okay, this is a really good thing. If you want to start with this, start now. Have a look at this. I even asked ChatGPT, so I put in this prompt. So I want to set up a business where I sell online companies a chatbot customized on their own data. Can you help me come up with a business idea and a host of benefits to the company in having a custom chatbot trained on their own data? And then it goes down there. So your business idea is tapping into growing need for personalized and efficient customer interaction solutions. And you can see down there, benefits to companies. This is what you need to know. This is essentially how you're gonna sell it to the people, all right? And a lot of people, they know that it's going to prove useful to them. But when you put all of this info like this chatbot gave us, it's going to be it's just going to be better. So, enhanced customer experience. By training the chatbot on the company's own data, it can provide more relevant and accurate responses, leading to a better overall customer experience. Of course, you are niching down. For example, it would be really so different if I asked the same question, for example, to ChatGPT and the chatbot on Nike website. For example, ChatGPT is going to give me the general overview on, sneakers, running shoes, and all of that. But Nike has its own trained bot, and it's just going to niche me down and give me more accurate responses. Then you go with increased efficiency. That's something that we've talked about. But for me, this is really, really good. Cost savings. I told you, you don't have to pay money. You will save money. 24/7 availability. This is maybe the most important part because people can come in 2 a.m. and they can ask the same question, and of course chatbot will provide. So you will find this very useful. All right, you will find this very useful. All you gotta do now is to find people and just talk to them. Outreach. Ask a lot of people out there, or if you want to go the Fiverr route, you just wait for the customer to arrive. But I would never recommend that. I would always recommend you to go and do certain outreach. It's not hard. You just have to write emails. Use ChatGPT, for God's sake. Just write me an outreach message for this company, and it's gonna spit it out. Right? Now, there's this even, and this emerged recently on OpenAI. So they've got GPTs, and you can create custom versions of ChatGPT inside of it. All right? Now, what is really, really good about this one? If you are an enthusiast and you want to get yourself involved with this, you can sell your own GPTs on OpenAI's marketplace. Have a look at this. If you head over down there and you make something like this, you can sell it on the marketplace that OpenAI is going to open up soon. You've got a lot of this information on their blogs, and this is not, the monetization factor has not been yet discussed, but this is going to work just like Notion templates, or maybe even Canva templates. It's just going to be with these GPTs. So when people need a template on Notion, they just head over and they just buy the template that someone else made. The same is going to work like here. Or, alternatively, you can just set up your own company and then just start offering this service to people, because this is going to be in so much demand. Next couple of years, it's going to be a gold rush. As I've told you, everybody needs this. And you know what's the beautiful part about this one is that, for example, if you meet one customer, if you do the outreach and do one simple thing for them, you can always upsell whenever there's a new update. For example, you can just say, okay, we've made this really good, but there's a new update, and I think I can just provide more value if we just do that as well. And people will happily do that. But I gotta tell you something. Before you even start making money with this, you have to offer some free value upfront first. All right? That's the best thing you can do for yourself, because you will gain trust. People will tend to trust you more, and then you will just do yourself good in the long term. If, for example, you see a website and you see the ways in which it can be improved using GPTs, you can do it for free. Little things, just do it for free, and then contact the customer and do it for them. And of course, they're going to see it's going to improve their workflow. If they know that you did it for free, well, they're just happily taking on the team. You will get some practice, you will see what needs to be done, and then you've got yourself a customer for a lifetime. That's how you get to people. And trust me, this is going to be in high demand. Next couple of years, really, gold mine. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You got to work for it. But if you have passion for these kind of things, it's going to be wonderful for you. So just work on it. Wish you good luck.